4. What are Tom and Samantha going to buy? Listen and tick. 1.
What do we need for dinner tonight? Do we need any vegetables?
We've got some carrots and a bag of onions, but we haven't got any potatoes. Can you get a bag of potatoes, please?
Sure.
2.
Do we need any drinks?
There are 2 cartons of juice in the fridge.
Have we got any lemonade?
Yeah, we've got some cans of lemonade, but we need some water.
How many bottles?
6.
Okay, 6 bottles of water. By the way, do we need any milk?
Milk? No, we don't. We've got 2 cartons. 3.
What about dessert?
I don't know. We've only got a box of chocolate biscuits.
Why don't we make a carrot cake?
That's a great idea. Just buy a bag of sugar.
Just sugar?
Yes, we've got flour and butter.